What's good? So today is day 2 of my turning funded accounts into $100,000 in 90 days. Um, Today I actually didn't take a trade at all on my Lucid account that I passed yesterday. I just ended up deciding I was just going to wait till Monday to start trading on that Lucid account. And it's crazy because I literally watched two perfect setups make money without taking a trade. So basically, I missed out on two setups, two opportunities to make money. Stuff like that happens. Like I'm not going to be tripping about that. Like it's always going to be more trades, and so I'm going to break down those trades first, those setups, and then I'm going to go over how I plan on adding more accounts, and even one that I plan on buying tomorrow. And so the two setups were on Nas. First one was over here when the market gave me this move here, right? Initially, one, two, three. And what I was looking for was the market to pull back and give me some type of indication that it can go back down because I'm looking for sales at that point, right? I also have this level here that I want to see price react off of. And if I go to the 5 minute, which I usually get my entries off of, we see price reacts to it very well. Um, Safe entry would have been here. And as you can see, would have gave me a 1R, but a more aggressive entry, which I probably would have taken simply because the wick went above this level, a possible 4.7R, and there was a solid drop right here. Now the next one was for a buy, and literally it was just the opposite, right? We got this low in which it broke this, lower high, this previous lower high. So I was looking for buys. At that point, fib, you can see the market pull back past that 0.5, which is something we want to see. Scale down to that 5 minute. And I literally seen this break below here, kind of get a reversal pattern right here as well. And it got back above that level. Bam, entry. Stop loss a little bit below the low. Another solid trade, which could have got just short of a 2R. But like I said, I missed out on those opportunities. Um, like I said, when that stuff happens, you just got to be cool with it. Move on to the next thing. Now, I do plan on buying a funded account through Crypto Fund Trader. I'm actually going to do a one phase account, 5,000, right? And the only reason why I'm doing this such a small account is because, like I said on the last video, I want to make this a little bit more realistic for people who may not have a lot of capital. And so, the way I'm going to do this one is I'm going to do the one phase, 5,000, right? It costs $40. I got to pass. I basically got to grow it 10% without losing a total of 6% or a trailing loss of 6%, max 4% a day. Once I do that, basically I can get profit from this account um, pretty solidly, right? So the goal with this after I pass it is to grow this at least 500 or make it at least $500 from this account, at least, right? And from there, I'm going to take that profit to get this break account that they just came out with. Like I said, the only reason why I'm doing this small account first is because I'm trying to make it a little bit more realistic and not just buy larger accounts. Like I said, I know everybody can't do that, right? So the way I'm going to go about it is I'm going to pass that account, get a payout from that account, then I'm going to buy this break account, which is $100,000, right? So I pay initial $100. Hopefully, by the time I pass it, they may still have this 50% off, so I'll save money. But I'll pay at least $100, max $100. Pass it. Once I pass, I got to pay the activation fee of $328. Pay that, but after that, I'll be able to get payouts from here. Now, the reason why I'm choosing Crypto Fund Trader is simply because I can trade cryptos and I can trade indices. So the trades that I'm taking on Lucid, I can also take on here, but then I can also take crypto trades on here that I can't take on Lucid. So this is a way that I can scale it up even faster. And with this size account, um, I would typically in the beginning probably risk like $500 per trade, but I know the trailing drawdown stops at a point. So eventually, I'll be able to start risking like 1,000 a trade, and so on and so on and more as that account grows. And so I look at it like this: if I'm able to risk $1,000 per trade, and in a whole month overall, that's including crypto and indices, I was to get 30R, meaning like I get your 2R here, a 5R here. I lose a 2R. Like at the end of the month, let's say it adds up to 30R, I make 30,000. Obviously, they get their cut, but that would still be like 24 bands from this one account. So, and I honestly know that I'm gonna get more than the 30R. So, um, like I said, I'm gonna be able to scale up that small $40 account to making it this 100K account. Well, $40, $5,000 account to scale up to this 100K account that I'm gonna just continue to scale. And so, um, I am gonna do crypto accounts and futures accounts. So, I will eventually get some more Lucid accounts, and like I said, get the Apex accounts. But um, this is how I'm going to be managing um, the accounts for now. Like I said, I will be getting this account tomorrow. So if I do find some trades on crypto, I will be entering these trades um, again to making some more money. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this journey. Like I said, didn't trade unfortunately today, but still got a good amount of time left for this challenge. And we're gonna see what happens. So if you like these type of videos, if you like this video, please like. If you haven't already, subscribe. And if you are interested in the group where you can learn for free, get free crypto signals, I will drop a link down below. And the Telegram link will be down there. All you have to do is click and you will be able to join. And other than that, I will see y'all tomorrow on the next video.